Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Dell Alienware Area-51 laptop. So friend, the Area-51 laptop it comes with 18-inch and 16-inch model, and the Area-51 unleashed 280-watt power on next generation NVIDIA graphics and next generation Intel Core Ultra CPU. This is the upper limit of performance of any gaming laptop period. So friend, the new initiative thermal architecture enable Area 51 to move up to 35% more air through the system while being 15% quieter, and the Area 51 laptop design exude a mysterious identity and that innovating comfort and functionality, and the new 51 laptop identity that invokes curiosity while elevating comfort and functionality, and new liquid teal finish on the anodized aluminum gives the system a dark, iridescent sheen that shifts colors when light is absorbed. And the Area 51 offer XMP Extreme Memory Profile memory at a speed up to 7200 MHz per second, scaling higher than ever on Alienware laptop, and the first Alienware laptop to support Generation 5 SSD, and this is the latest in storage technology and deliver the most amount of data throughout per watt. This means the hardware alone gets your performance and efficiency is everything you do. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.